In this module, we are going to see about the custom visuals. So what is custom visuals? Custom visuals is nothing but building our own chart type. Now, how we can do this? There are ways we will see. Basically, what are the technologies we need? What are the tools we need? That we will see in this module, and how to do that as well. That we will see in detail. Now, when it comes to built-in visuals, so as we have seen in the previous modules as well, where we have created so many visuals and we have seen visuals which are available in Power BI desktop. So which are nothing but these are, you can see these are the visuals which are available, where like chart, column chart, pie chart, stack chart, data card, many more things which are available, and it is having many things which we can do with this Power BI visuals. However, when it comes to custom visuals, these custom visuals are nothing but these are the developed by users or the developers, and that can be shared by app source. uh, this is something which is can be done in one of the programming language, and that we can see. We can also build our own custom visuals and share it. So this can be possible with the custom visuals. You can see means in app source there are so many visuals which are available, which has been created by other users or the other developers, and that we can get in our Power BI, and we can use that as well for our custom requirement. Now the next thing is, what are the technologies required for this? Means what knowledge we should have to build these custom visuals. First of all, we should able to understand what is TypeScript. So TypeScript is one of the programming language which is a superset to JavaScript. Means it's an additional extension to the JavaScript. And if you are aware about the JavaScript, then you can understand the TypeScript as well very well. This is something which is you can learn on your own as well. There is a website of typescriptlang.org which is available, and you can learn this TypeScript language in this site, where you can try and test your programming skill. There means you can create your own programs, you can learn it there. So this is something which is a TypeScript. And if you are not interested in any of the programming, or not interested in any of the coding, if you have not done the coding as well, then you can simply skip this section. However, if you just wanted to learn, you can follow along with me, and then we can learn these custom tools. Basically when it comes to other things, like which is visualization and DOM manipulation, so it is nothing but a d3.js, which is a library of this document management model, and which is nothing but, you can see this is one of the sample structure which is available. Document is the main thing, then root element with the HTML, then we have head, title, and then anchor, link, href, etc. So these are the things which are available here as well, so that you can see as a part of the document management tool. And this, whatever the custom visuals which we are creating, we can test it in Power BI service. That is what we need. And this just not a basic developer experience. It is not that hard. Means if you can learn, if you wanted to learn, you can learn this tool quickly as well. So that is something which is we can do this as well. So these are the technologies which are required. TypeScript is one technology which is required. You should be have the understanding of the DOM as well, so that it will be helpful. And I would suggest, if you are not aware about the TypeScript or JavaScript, I would suggest you learn TypeScript. Also, you learn some of the things about the JavaScript, so that it will be helpful. Now, when it comes to tools required, what are the tools which we required to develop these custom visuals? To develop the custom visuals, first we need a node.js. So in this node.js, we can test visuals and install further packages if required. So this is needed at the first time. Then we need to install Power BI custom visuals and packages. So there are any custom visuals by Power BI, then that can be we need to install, and the packages required. This is required to create a new project and build visuals. Then we need to create and install certificate. So this is something which is need to test visuals via Power BI service. So whatever the custom visuals which we are creating, we need to have certificates which will help us to test the visuals via Power BI service. And the last thing which is we required is IDE. So integrated development environment is one of the editor. Basically, we can write your code in Notepad as well, but this editor, like integrated development environment, will help us to write the code quickly, and it will assist us as well, means with some of the suggestions about the code and the syntax, so that will be helpful for us to quickly write some code. And the last thing, which is with the help of IDE, we can just create custom visuals projects, and we can just directly start coding. So these are the things which are needed. Means first is we need to understand custom visuals. Custom visuals are nothing but we can create our own visual types or chart types that can be customized as per the requirement. The second thing is about the technologies. We should be able to understand the TypeScript programming language. So that is something which is you need to understand. It is not that hard, but you can learn that as well. And the next thing is about the tools. We need a node.js, then we need some Power BI custom visuals, certificates, and the IDE. So IDE is important, which is nothing but integrated development environment. With these things which we can do this, and we will see in the next video how to install and how to get started with this custom visual. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.